Hi, everybody. This is Bill Soroka, founder of NotaryCoach.com and the Sign and Thrive Notary course and community. I am so excited to talk about this new upcoming workshop that we have. It's going to be open for everybody. You know, I talk a lot about taking your business to the next level, and I also talk a lot about diversifying your revenue streams and having multiple streams of revenue. We have our loan signing side, of course, and then we have our general notary work side of that. And there's going to be a big push for me and my team here in the Phoenix area for general notary work. And a huge component of that is having a search engine optimized website. That's how customers are going to find you. So what I was running into, and I continue to run into, is that I don't have the skill set to go out and do that on my own. I don't understand search engine optimization. It seems like it changes every day, and apparently it does. So I needed to recruit some help, and we've been working a lot with Tyler and his team over at Green Monkey Marketing in so many ways. Those guys are geniuses when it comes to digital marketing. So we put together a special training called Now Training. It's Notary Optimized Website Training. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to walk through, it's going to teach me how to build a website using a template, of course, and actually learn the search engine optimization. And then part of that is sharing it with you. So we're actually going to have an entire workshop where we learn together and apply these really huge search engine optimizations or SEO concepts directly to the notary business. How cool is that? We're actually going to be able to take this information that's in books and articles and all over online and distill it down to very specific things that we can do to help grow our notary business. So check this out. The way this will be structured is it's about a 10-week course where we're going to kind of drip some trainings out to you. Tyler's already created some pretty in-depth videos and modules about this search engine stuff, and I'll go through kind of what this training is going to look like. And then every week, we're going to meet together and collaborate as an online group in a Zoom conference call. We're going to go through some of the big parts of that training, but then also answer questions, share what we're learning, share workarounds or something specific that we've got. So we're going to be able to bring knowledge from all 50 states right into one conference call so we can all learn and help each other and our own individual businesses as we do this. So there's the first week is going to start December 5th. So that's next Wednesday. But don't worry, you can jump in anytime. There's no charge for this course. Guys, this is something that Tyler and I were committed to helping you guys boost your business and have a bigger and bigger business. So what we've done is we're trying to make this as free as possible. This workshop, the Now workshop, is completely free. Tyler's even going to put the free template website in so you can choose between 3 different template modules. The only caveat on that is that in order to get that template for free, you've got to buy a website hosting package from Green Monkey Marketing, and you can do that. There's either a monthly fee or there is an annual fee, and that's absolutely your choice. There's no pressure to actually buy that. The templates are built on WordPress. If you have a skill set that allows you to do that, or if you have a website somewhere else and you don't want to buy the hosting package and use the template that we're actually using for this training, that's totally okay. It's more important that you just jump in and get more involved in the search engine optimization. The reality is, at some point, whatever website you've got, you're going to have to take it to the next level. So if it's with Tyler and Green Monkey, great. If it's with another hosting package or a web developer, that's okay too. But search engine optimization is one of those things that you almost have to do every single day, or at least have a consistent pattern of growth and changing your website up so you can maintain your rankings to get higher up on search results. So when people, your potential customers, are looking for a notary in your area, you want your website and your phone number to be at the top of that list. And that's what search engine optimization and this training is going to be able to do for you. So we're going to have a 10-week training, 10 weeks of doing this. We'll record the calls, so if you can't make it to every one, these will be available to you after the fact. But we're going to go over, like, week 1 is just kind of the basics, where you're going to submit your information, your client intake form to the Green Monkey team. They're going to know your business. They're going to set everything up for you. They've got an amazing team that's going to set that all up for you. In week 2, we're going to go over a whole overview of SEO and content marketing, so you can kind of school yourself. This is developing those skills that you're going to need to succeed in this. In week 3, we're going to talk about selecting keywords and crafting SEO-friendly copy and interlinking. So if that is totally foreign to you, don't worry about it. It's foreign to me too. That's why we're doing this. This is an extremely basic level. So anybody can jump in and do this, and we're here to support you as a group. In week 4, we're going to talk about on-page optimization and the local aspect of this, because that's a huge component, because you want people that are in your area finding you on Google and Bing. Speaking of that, in Google 5, we're going to set up the Google Search Console and the Bing Webmaster Portals. Week 6, we're going to get into the deep dive into the Google My Business setup. A lot of you might remember that we talked a lot about that because of April San Miguel out of Texas. She's been very successful in doing that. We're going to take that even to a whole new level. In week 7, we're going to set up citations and directory sites. There's so much more. Especially when we're talking about web presence and digital presence when it comes to directory sites, and Tyler's going to walk us through how to do that. Week 8, we're going to do a whole social media setup and the social brand representation and social posting. So if you got questions about what it is you should be posting on social media, how often, all that good stuff, we're going to talk about that in week 8. We're also going to talk about getting and finding quality backlinks. And then, of course, in week 10, we're going to talk heavily about content marketing and content planning. Being of value to our customers is the best way to drive traffic to our websites. And we're going to talk very specifically how notaries can do that. So very excited about that. Keep your eye out in the emails. If you have not signed up for my email list, guys, go to notarycoach.com, order that free report, or go to the blog and type in your email address so you can get updated. I also do my best to post videos here to keep you updated that way as well. In the emails that I'll be sending out, I'll have very specific instructions about how you can get the free template with Tyler. In fact, there's a link on notarycoach.com right now where you can do that. You can pick that out ahead of time. And then there's going to be some specific instructions about how, like the prerequisites to get prepared for this, because you're going to want to dive right in. If you don't have a domain name, you're going to want to purchase a domain name. You're going to want a business phone number if you plan to keep that separate from your cell phone number. There's little things like that that I'll be releasing this week to get you started for our launch on December 5th. And like I said, if you can't jump in right on December 5th, don't worry about it. Jump in anyway at some point. Get this knowledge and skill set. Schedule this into your day, because this is how your customers are going to find you if you plan on doing general notary work at all. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm really looking forward to this and meeting you inside that course. Like I said, this is available and open to everybody.